In this video, I'm going to share 8 niches with you that are going to see an increase in sales during the month of November. The first niche I've got for you is Veterans Day, which is happening on the 11th of November. And for everyone who's not from America, not sure what this is, it's essentially a day that's meant to honor all of the people that have served in wars. And that also gives you a hint at what sort of designs are going to sell well. We'll see lots of, sort of patriotic, army-related stuff. We've got that one right here, US Army, Vietnam veteran. That's a good idea to maybe target specific wars that people were in. We've got a grumpy veteran right here. The eagle design, that's definitely a good style to go with. Lots of American flags, red, white and blue color schemes, as you'd expect from this sort of patriotic niche. Never underestimate an old man who defended your country. That's a cool idea. And yeah, so there's definitely plenty of ways to go ahead and do this. I would say be careful if you upload to this niche and don't tick the youth box. Don't enable that because it's not relevant anyway. And with these sort of keywords that are army related, you might trigger some rejections because they're not sort of child friendly topics. So that's it for the first niche, Veterans Day, happening early November. So get your designs ready as early as possible to have the best chance of getting some sales. Niche number 2 that's going to see an increase in sales is lung cancer awareness, because the entire month of November is Lung Cancer Awareness Month. And we've got quite a few designs right here at the top which have the F word in there, or at least are alluding to the F word, like this one with the military alphabet, right? The phonetic alphabet. Those ones, you might get away with them, but I generally say don't try and upload them. It might trigger rejections or removals in the future because the F word is not really something that Amazon wants in their t-shirts. But besides that, t-shirts for family members that want to support their loved ones when they have lung cancer, or even for people who've survived lung cancer, are definitely something that you will see selling well in this niche. And just by the way, in case you're wondering, I'm doing my research this time in flying research, just for a change. And if you want to check out flying research yourself, there will be a link down below in the description. It is by the same creators that made Flying Upload. So yeah, lung cancer, there's not too many sales at the moment happening for this niche, but during the Lung Cancer Awareness Month, we'll definitely see a spike in sales. And if you get your designs ready early enough, you get a better chance of picking up some of that sales volume as well. Next up, we've got Thanksgiving, and for all of the Americans watching this video, you're probably thinking, why even recommending this? It's super obvious, but Thanksgiving is only celebrated in the US and in Canada, so some other people watching from around the world might not be aware of this, or might not really think of this first when they hear of November. A lot of people are not really aware of what Thanksgiving is or when it is exactly. So definitely a massive niche for the month of November. I think Thanksgiving itself is on the 25th, if I'm not wrong. It's on the 24th, I was wrong, but never mind. This niche is always one to consider for November. It does really well. And one design style that I would stay away from is this one right here, Merry Thanksgiving, the sort of Joe Biden mockery, which we see all the time selling really well. Always new submissions, new ideas of how to cross niche it. But I also see it being deleted literally every week for deleted designs. So definitely don't do that. It's not a good idea if you want to keep your Merch by Amazon account, if you don't want it to be terminated. Generally, lots and lots of designs have the orange color scheme for the graphics, for the letters. We generally see a lot of stuff that is cross-niched with food. The turkey niche or sub-niche of Thanksgiving is definitely very popular, so making funny turkey designs can work well. I also saw something about pumpkin pies. Time to get basted, or let's get basted, is a sentence that I also noticed quite a lot within the Thanksgiving niche. So try and find some sub-niches. Look further into this. Try and find some sub-niches that have less competition than just a very generic Thanksgiving design, and that way you'll make it easier for yourself to pick up some sales during this massive trend. Moving on from that, we've got Scorpio, which is a zodiac sign, and the time for this starts on October 23rd and it lasts until November the 21st. So whilst some of these well, they're selling at the moment, not very well, but some of these are selling fairly regularly. They definitely sell a lot better while it's the time of Scorpio. And in terms of designs, a lot of the best selling ones are related to women. So we often see the Queen and November Queen, Scorpio Queen, that sort of stuff. But you also get King Scorpio, so some of the ones aimed at men can also do well. We've got the Scorpio symbol right here, which is quite handy if you can get a hold of that or just recreate it yourself to overlay it onto some sunsets like this one. I would probably add some text to it as well rather than just placing it on a sunset. Maybe make some funny phrase to go along with that, but definitely a good idea. Then we've got some more sort of detailed designs like these ones right here, which actually go sort of in depth with pointing out different characteristics or stereotypes maybe about people who are Scorpio, but you don't have to do that. Sometimes going more in depth and recreating those sort of designs or coming up with your own ideas can definitely give you an edge, but you could also keep it simple and try this out with some normal vintage sunsets. So nevertheless, Scorpio definitely going to do well fairly soon. It already starts trending at the end of October, so definitely a niche worth considering. November the 5th is National Bison Day, and that is why this animal evergreen niche is going to see an increase in sales. More people will sort of be made aware of the animal, of the bisons, and want to wear a t-shirt with that style. Generally, we can already see quite a few t-shirts that are selling well, so this is most certainly one of those niches that can sell decently all year round. And if you can manage to pick up a few sales while it's trending at the start of November, then you might have just created a regular seller that, like I said, sells all year round, right? That's what we all want to create. There's lots and lots of sunset designs here doing well. Do not pet the fluffy cows is definitely a sentence that seems to be of interest to people. So funny designs always can do well, especially with animals. Don't just put a bison onto a sunset and expect to get tons of sales. You have to sometimes dig a bit deeper, find something more interesting that will actually make people get an emotional response if they see it. And usually, if it's something funny, people are going to be more keen to buy it. So bison's definitely going to be a good niche to try and move into. And as always, make sure to check for trademarks before you upload anything. I've checked the word bison for you. I typically check the niche that I share for trademarks before I share them. And while bison shows up, it is only trademarked for belts and hats, which obviously we don't sell on merch by Amazon, so you should be fine there. But all of these other sentences, like do not pet, I don't know if there's any trademarks in those, so always double check. If trademarks is something you struggle with, I do have an in-depth merch by Amazon trademark and copyright guide on my channel. It's always linked in the description, and yeah, you can find it if you just type in trademark guide into my channel. Niche number 6 is diabetes, and I am sharing this one because it is World Diabetes Day on Monday the 14th of November. And there is a ton of people who have diabetes. Many of them don't even know it. I just checked on Google, and about 1 in 10 people in America at least have diabetes, which is about 40 million. And that's just the US. There's way more people around the world as well who have diabetes, so this won't just sell in that specific country. It's a World Diabetes Day, right? So there's more potential. If you upload these designs to Redbubble, TeePublic, customers all around the world can access them and might purchase them. So diabetes, the awareness topic seems to have a blue color scheme, which is definitely worth noting. We've got I wear blue for my daughter, so you could make variations with different family members. We've got a cross niche idea right here. In November we wear blue, where someone has taken sort of autumn graphics that usually would be orange, pumpkins, flowers, that sort of stuff, and they've colored them in with blue, which is a smart idea. Taking the topic or the seasonal topic trend and actually adapting it for this other trend. It's a bit of a cross niche there. These sort of messy hairband designs can also always do really well. I literally see them like nearly every single niche that I look at these days. Rainbow designs, and yeah, generally try and make a variety of designs. Don't just like try 1 or 2 and that's it. If you actually put up 10, 20 designs, you make it way easier for yourself to pick up some sales. Maybe just one of them will sell, but it will actually do well. So you never know. Next up, we've got Mars, and the reason I'm suggesting Mars specifically is because it's Red Planet Day on November the 28th, and the red planet is Mars, you guessed it. And so these designs definitely have the potential to do really well at the end of November, and generally probably space themed stuff will see an increase in sales. Definitely do not put the NASA logo on your designs, that will get you into trouble. Occupy Mars was something that I think Elon Musk used to be involved with, but I don't think the trademark exists anymore, so I think you're allowed to sell that. Let me just double check. Yeah, there's no trademark. I think there used to be one for occupy Mars, but there isn't anymore, so it should be fine, I think. But yeah, one thing to mention here is probably very easy to excite children for these sort of space-related topics. So maybe that's one way to sort of approach this niche, is to target children who like space or like Mars. You can do that through obviously the phrases you use, the types of graphics or the types of fonts, make it more child friendly. But overall, just have a look through the Mars niche, look for designs that are doing well, that maybe don't have as much competition, or some sub niche ideas, funny phrases, kids themed designs, and find some stuff that you can actually recreate, or maybe try and think of your own ideas, which is always good and helpful. And then I'm sure entering this niche will help you get some extra sales during the month of November. And last but not least, a niche that is going to see a massive spike in demand for sure during November is soccer, or I would have typed in football because I mean European football. The reason I typed in soccer is because if you put football, all you get is American football. But essentially the FIFA World Cup for European football is happening from the 20th of November through to the 18th of December. So you've got about a month of people really being into football and wanting to support their nations. And that's the key word right there. And whilst generic football designs will probably see an increase in sales, what people will really be looking for is this sort of stuff, or this right here, where you've got the opportunity for people to buy it and represent their country while they're watching the games. And this can be especially effective if you make designs for lots of nations and then get a few sales here and there. But then once it gets to like the semi-finals, finals, where even more people are interested in the topic and want to represent their country, then those few countries that are left will see many sales. So this is definitely a powerful niche if you can get it right. I'm basically showing all marketplaces here because whilst there is soccer fans in the US, the majority of sales will probably happen in the EU for this. So you want to also upload your designs to other marketplaces, so make sure to tick the UK, Germany, Italy, the other options you have on Merch by Amazon, because that's where people will be most likely looking for these sort of designs. And also do some research at the actual colors of the shirts that they're wearing. Like we can see the Holland one right here is in orange. You wouldn't necessarily expect that because the Dutch flag or the Holland flag is red, white and blue, but the outfits, the jerseys that they wear while they're playing are always orange. So people will look for orange shirts. So don't just throw your designs up onto black or just a color that you assume, because the primary thumbnail of your t-shirt can definitely make a difference here. Because when people are watching the games, they want to feel that unity of everyone wearing the same sort of color scheme. So do look into this niche, putting designs up for this, even if just a few of them sell. If you're lucky and you get a lot of interest during the finals, that sort of stuff, you can really make a lot of money in this niche. So definitely one worth considering and not to ignore. I'll definitely make some designs suitable for this niche. Do not use the FIFA World Cup, like the official name of the tournament, in your listings. That's not allowed. But just general like football related keywords and the country's name should be fine. So that's all the niches I've got for you today. And if you're not sure how to actually create designs for these niches in different ways to increase the likelihood of getting sales, then I'd highly recommend checking out this video right here, where I show you 4 different ways of how to successfully enter evergreen niches.